In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up a video on Vimeo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive straight into the steps. First and foremost, you'll want to make sure you have your laptop ready. So, go ahead and open up that web browser of yours and navigate to Vimeo's website. Once you're there, log into your account if necessary. Once you're on the Vimeo homepage, search for the video you'd like to watch. You can do this by using the search bar at the top if you're looking for something specific, or you can browse through your favorite channels or your watch later list if that's easier for you. Take a moment to find the video. Got it? Perfect. Now when the video loads, you're going to need to move your mouse over the video player. This action will reveal some options as a control overlay, which is something I really like about Vimeo. It's super intuitive. Keep an eye on the bottom right corner of that player. There, you'll spot a little gear icon that symbolizes settings. Click on that gear icon. Now that you've opened up the settings menu, you'll see a few options pop up. What we're interested in here is the speed option. Click on that, and you will find a range of playback speeds that you can choose from. 1.25x, 1.5x, or even a 2x speed. These options really let you customize your viewing experience based on your mood or how much time you have on your hands. So, for instance, if you're in a hurry or you just want to get through the content a little bit faster, you might choose 1.25x for a slight speed increase. Or if you're eager to consume content, bouncing it up to 2x can be quite effective. Just make sure you can keep up with everything being said. Once you've clicked on the speed you want, the video will now immediately start playing at that selected speed. It's as simple as that. Watch and enjoy your video at your own tailored pace. And now, if at any point during your viewing experience you decide that you would like to return to normal playback speed, it's just as easy to do that. Just repeat the earlier steps. Click on the gear icon again and find the ESAC speed option. This time, simply select Normal, and you'll be back to the original playback speed. Using these speed options can significantly enhance your Vimeo watching experience. Whether you're looking to savor every detail in a tutorial video, or simply speed through a movie you've seen before, knowing how to adjust the speed is a handy tool. So, to wrap things up, remember that speeding up your video is all about accessing those settings through the gear icon at the bottom right of the player. Click on Speed, choose your desired speed, and you're good to go. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it enriches your future Vimeo experiences. If you liked what you learned today, make sure to hit that like button and consider subscribing to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy viewing on Vimeo.